Hello, maurieos 2018 Land Surveying 1, the week that was, March 5 to March 11. Hello, welcome. Well, this week we got out on the job and into the paddock doing some real levelling for the assignment. And we started getting things going. First of all, we started up with a double run with 2 change points. I'll flick over to the big screen to show you exactly what was going on there. So most of us started at peg NL, which you can see here, and then we had maybe 2 change points down to peg KB and then the reverse back again through the 2 change points. So that should satisfy the 2 change point requirement of the assignment. So that was the first one got down there, and everybody should have got that completed. Once that was done, the suggestion was that we would go from peg KB to peg MB and back again, and then also from MB through, initially it was IDBB, but we were unable to find that out in the field. I did subsequently find it, but a bit too late. So most people went to JC, so that's from MB to JC in here, all right, and then from JC to HC, and from HC back to NL. So each one of those is a little double run. So we've got one run, double run here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little leveling runs. One of them with 2 change points, the first one, and then the others just without any change points between the marks. So each run should close out within an acceptable amount of probably no more than 5 millimeters, although some were up as far as 8, which I would allow, given that some of the instruments perhaps need a little bit of work on them. But that should be fine. That should all be okay. So that was pretty much the requirement for the week, although I did suggest that each team member do a finder diagram for one of the marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marks need finder diagrams. Now that leaves us with next week. We'll be working over here on the mountain and trying to map out the mountain profile through here, or at least collect the data for that if we are doing the NZDE. If we're doing the BTEC, of course, you'll have to draw up a long section. So that's for day 2. And then the third week is just a tidy up week. Don't forget, we've got a couple of service lids to be drawn over here, and these need to be done. So that's pretty much what happened in week. It was our the week that was that one there. I think that's the third week that we've had. So that's week 3. So out in the field, out in the paddock, so to speak. So doing some real work, and it weather was fine. Everyone got their allocated time. Some groups got round and actually got the circuit close done as well, which was very good. A couple of groups have still got a little bit to do next week, but there's plenty of time to get these done. But we obviously, if the weather's fine, but if the weather's not so fine, that might not be so good. But yeah, we're all sort of generally on track. There are also a couple of groups have approached me to ask if they could do some get the gear outside of the scheduled class time, and I've certainly said yes to that. It's just a matter of coming and getting a key from me and getting the gear and bringing it back and, communicate and that sort of thing. So that should be all very good. So week 3 went well. So far we've had no weather delays. Well, a couple of showers maybe, but generally everything's going well and on track. So look forward to some pretty good assignments, hopefully. Cheers. See you